Okay, next project is to build a router extension for the table saw. What we're going to do, we've got a cutout here. This is just a working template. We're going to mount this down here next to the table saw bench. Support it with something like this board right here, hooked into those three holes you see right there. That'll be suspended in there. Then this cutout support will go in there. That will hold a plate like this. You can see has holes cut out, and that will go on top of the router, screw down on there. Then the router itself will be suspended underneath the table saw right there. Then we can use the fence on the table saw and the table saw top itself to support material that's being routed by the router. So that's what we're going to try to attempt. We'll see how that works out. Okay, what we have here is 1x4. We've measured the distance between the three holes over here on the side of the saw. And we're going to put 3 screws in this board that will go into that hole. The washers on them. When we tighten that up, then we're going to put a screw in here that corresponds to this hole here in the side of the saw rail. Now give us a platform across there to set our... Okay, we got this board screwed on across here. And that's going to line up perfectly to support this end of our template. Now go over about right here. We're going to cut the full size and have a different piece of wood. Okay, what we've got now is a 1x4 that's bolted to the table. Got our insert setting down inside, lifts out. Temporary clamps on here. We're fixing to take and cut out right here and one right here, so we can stick our thumb in there to lift this out. I don't know if we can see under here or not, but up underneath there we've got the screws through into that board. And we've also got a screw right inside this hole into that piece of wood. So what we've gone is gone into our Forenza bits, and we've picked out this little puppy, which is 1.25 inches. Now we're going to take it, tuck it in, drill a hole right here, 1.25 inches. Now we got the bit chucked up in the drill press, and I got to have 2 hands to do this, so I'm going to turn the camera off, drill a hole. We'll tap it up in this clamp and cut those holes out to the inside. This is nasty stuff. I don't know if you can see over there or not. I got my respirator on there. Okay, now what we're going to do is take off this factory sole plate, and we're going to replace it with this red plastic plate, and we'll drop that whole gizmo right down in that hole. Okay, there we are. Now the fence can slide right up over it, so I can use the fence. And I've got it plugged in down here to my quick kick switch. So to turn it off, comes down underneath the table saw. I'm using it as a workbench right now. And for safety, we'll reach down here and turn that switch off so So in case we accidentally kick the switch, nothing happens. There you can see an overview of the whole project now. I'm going to turn off the radio. Whoop, wrong switch. There you go. Now I got the right switch. And there's my little workbench. Actually, that's the desk. This is the workbench. And we'll call it quits for the night.